Want to know how to log out from Planet Net? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and on the URL, just simply typing planetnet.org. So once that is up, you should be onto this website right here. And now, once you have logged in, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile or your icon with your initial in it. So you can just simply select it. And now here you have two options, my account and sign out. So since in this video, we are signing out, just simply select sign out right here. And with a button, you should be signed out already. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.